The type of personal injury cases that we handle at Miller Gaudio include auto accidents, slip and falls, assaults, and product liability injuries. It is imperative that you contact an attorney shortly after an accident because, number one, your rights will be affected. Number two, and most importantly, there is evidence to gather, and most of that evidence disappears after a period of time. It's not retrievable. You need to know your rights, and the attorney needs to marshal their assets in terms of finding out and proving what the facts are in terms of the happening of that accident. The method of calculating damages in any personal injury case takes into account the client, their lifestyle, their economic bracket, their level of pain and suffering, and level of permanency of the injury. Another important aspect of this is knowledge by the attorney of comparable verdicts that have been issued by juries with those types of claims. I want injury victims to know that obviously there's a method in our country where they can be compensated for a wrong that has caused them an injury. In terms of being compensated, there has to be a responsibility on behalf of, for example, a landowner, on behalf of a driver, in terms of not being negligent and therefore not causing an injury to someone else. If in fact there is negligence, then there's a pathway to make my client whole with regard to the injury that they've suffered. At Miller Gaudio, we're well versed in representing clients in complex medical malpractice and personal injury cases. Your first line of attack or your first line of protecting your rights is to know what those rights are. And that's why you would call us as certified civil trial attorneys.